There is need to align training in institutions of higher learning with global standards to empower Kenyans to tap income-generating activities in the international job market. Water and Sanitation Principal Secretary Julius Korir is challenging institutions to incorporate global best practices and hands-on training to train Kenyans competitively on the labour market internationally. He spoke during the launch of the inaugural water sector job fair at the Kenya Water Institute.
If there is an opportunity, a Kenyan will be given the job. Why? Because of our attitude to work. So we are working through the management to adjust our training to also enhance that, to help our students or our graduates be able to fit into the world market. So we are working with also KETREP to make KEWI a CBD awarding center, so that those of you who are in the engineering field, after you train here, you will be able to be awarded those professional points, career development points, which will increase your standing in the profession.